The email marketing service category is showing one of the clearest patterns in AI discovery right now. Buyer attention is being compressed into a narrow set of recommended platforms. That matters because when a buyer asks an AI system for the best email marketing software, the response often becomes the working shortlist. The brands near the top get considered first. The brands merely mentioned may never enter the decision. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, a growth strategist and AI discovery analyst. At LLM Authority Index, we study how AI systems shape commercial discovery, especially in high-intent categories where recommendation positioning can directly influence revenue. In this public benchmark for June 2026, ActiveCampaign leads the email marketing service category. It has the highest valid recommendation coverage at 31.6%, the strongest top 3 rate at 23.8%, and the best average recommended rank among major platforms. That combination is important. It means ActiveCampaign is not simply appearing in AI responses, it is being advanced into ranked, shortlist quality recommendations more consistently than the rest of the market. Klaviyo and Brevo form the strongest second tier. Klaviyo is especially strong in e-commerce related prompts. Brevo shows strength in comparison and pricing evaluation prompts, where its value positioning appears to be clearly legible to AI systems. The most important strategic distinction in this benchmark is the gap between being visible and being recommended. A mention means the AI system acknowledged that a platform exists. A valid recommendation means the AI system positively endorsed it, ranked it, or placed it into a buyer-ready shortlist. Mailchimp shows why that difference matters. It appears in 49.4% of AI responses, so it is still highly visible, but its recommendation coverage is 22.1%, and its sentiment score is the lowest among the top 5 platforms in the benchmark. That is a classic AI discovery problem. Strong brand recognition still creates appearances, but appearances do not automatically convert into shortlist preference. One pattern we repeatedly see at LLM Authority Index is that brands can look visible while still losing the buying moments that matter most. Constant contact is the most commercially interesting warning sign in the report. It captures the highest monthly AI authority value in the category at $2.4 million. On the surface, that sounds strong, but its recommendation coverage is only 3.9%, and nearly all of that modeled value comes from visibility assist rather than recommendation power. In plain English, the brand is being seen, but it is rarely being chosen. That is commercially fragile. Visibility assist depends on neutral references. Recommendation value depends on AI systems deciding that a brand deserves to be ranked, endorsed, and placed into the shortlist. The benchmark shows constant contact with a large gap between mention presence and top 3 placement. That is the kind of gap leadership teams need to understand before they treat broad AI visibility as proof of competitive strength. The report breaks the public data into 3 high-intent buyer clusters: discovery, comparison, and pricing evaluation. The comparison cluster is especially important. It carries the highest modeled opportunity value in the public benchmark at $9.2 million. That is where buyers are moving from general awareness into active evaluation. Brevo performs strongly in these comparison prompts, leading on top 10 rate and captured value. ActiveCampaign follows with strong top 3 performance. These are the moments where recommendation position begins to shape real commercial outcomes. Pricing evaluation is another critical cluster. ActiveCampaign leads there, followed by Klaviyo and Mailchimp. Constant contact again shows high visibility assist, but near zero recommendation value. For an email marketing service brand, these decision stage prompts are the moments that matter. They reveal whether AI systems trust the public evidence enough to recommend the company when a buyer is close to choosing. The category leaders share a common pattern. They have public evidence that AI systems can retrieve, compare, and repeat with confidence. The benchmark points to strong official documentation, third-party comparison content, positive review aggregation, community discussion, and clear pricing information as the source layers that appear to support recommendation power. ActiveCampaign benefits from extensive comparison content and detailed feature documentation. Klaviyo is heavily cited in e-commerce-focused editorial content. Brevo appears frequently in cost comparison and feature breakdown content. This is citation architecture. It is the public evidence layer that helps AI systems decide which brands are safe to recommend, which brands belong in a shortlist, and which brands should be treated as background options. The leadership takeaway is simple. AI discovery is changing competition inside the email marketing service category. The market is not being distributed evenly across every recognizable platform. AI systems are compressing many public signals into a smaller set of recommended brands, and the top tier is pulling away. For CMOs, founders, and growth leaders, the priority is to measure recommendation position, not only visibility. Track where the brand appears in high-intent prompts. Track whether it earns top 3 placement. Track whether it is cited as a serious choice when buyers compare, price, and decide. If you want to understand how AI is actually positioning your company in buyer conversations, that's exactly what we analyze at LLM Authority Index.